How to see passphrase in Pi network. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to see your passphrase in the Pi network. This is an important step to ensure the security of your account and to recover access if needed. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Open the Pi network app on your device. Here, at the top left corner of the screen, tap on the three horizontal lines. A menu by the side will open on the screen. From the menu, tap on Pi Utilities. Now there comes different options. Tap on Wallet. Once you will tap on the Wallet option. After that, the passphrase will appear on the screen. Here on my device, the passphrase will not appear, as I have not invested yet in the app. But if you have done investing, then it will open up on yours. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Like and subscribe at Softpro.